enjoy the music. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Gives me a lot of support. Just, letting you guys relax watching the vid. And I will stop. I will not interrupt you. I'll interrupt you. So, just watch the plan. Today, guys. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload more videos. The weekend is coming up, so I will be uploading lots and lots of videos. If you like my content, you probably want to hit that notification bell because, well, if you like my content, then you probably want to hit that notification bell. Am I right? Or no? Yeah, you want to hit that notification bell. I think, yeah. So anyway, guys, really, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Like I always say, I am a YouTuber who begs for those things. If you guys want, go ahead and do it. But I ain't begging you, I ain't that kind of person. Anyways, guys, really. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a brand new video.